my loves. Happy new year, guys. So we're back with yet another video this new year, and it's all about home refresh, home reset. We're going to be cleaning, organizing. So I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation video. It's finally time to go ahead and take down our Christmas decoration. And I was telling my husband yesterday, I said, babe, it's so fun whenever, we are putting up our Christmas decor, all the, the glitz, the glam. But let me tell you guys, when it's time to take everything down, it's always a pain in the butt, guys. I mean, this took me the whole day to take down. And when I was taking it down, I was like, oh my gosh, like it's as if it takes you like forever to take them down, but it takes you just a second to put them up. I'm not sure if you guys understand what I'm saying, but if you feel this way whenever you're taking down your Christmas trees, let me know, like the Christmas tree, the Christmas decor and everything. But as you guys can see, I started off bringing in my containers, my totes. This is exactly how I love to store my Christmas ornaments, my Christmas decor every single year. I mean, if you've been watching my channel for so long, you know that I absolutely love storing everything in a tote. And like I always tell people, storing your Christmas tree in a tote actually helps it a lot. It makes it retain that newness. It makes it to be more organized, so that once it's time for you to decorate the next Christmas, like it's so easy. All you gotta do is just go ahead and bring out the boxes, or the containers or the totes, whatever you guys want to call it. It makes it so much easier to go ahead and decorate. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and took down all my Christmas decorations, the ornaments, everything in my living room. And then over here, I'm in our bedroom. I'm taking everything down, and I feel like so sad doing this, like when I was taking out the Christmas tree, because one thing about me is, because of the fact that I'm used to putting up our Christmas tree very, very early. I mean, as from November 1st, we already, getting ready to put up our Christmas tree, and before November 10th, like all our Christmas decors are up. So that means we have our Christmas decor up November and also December. So immediately after the new year, by the 2nd of January, I'm already itching to take down all the decoration. And another thing is, it helps me kind of get myself in order in terms of knowing that, okay, the holiday is finished. I have to get my home in order and get back to work and start the hustle and bustle continues. So that is usually like my mentality. But when my Christmas tree and my Christmas decor, everything is still up, it's as if in my head I believe the holiday is still on. For some reason, that is exactly how I feel. So going ahead to take down all the decor, all the all the glitz, all the glam, and putting my home back in order, putting my home back in the neutral state. It lets me know, okay, we're back to business. I no more holiday. We are back to reality. So as you guys can see, basically I just went ahead and put in and took down all the Christmas decor, and now as you guys can see, I'm arranging it. I actually love to use different totes or different containers to put my ornaments. As you guys can see, I put my ornaments in there, and then whatever big decor, maybe my pillows, maybe my Santa, all those ones goes into a different box or a different container, as you guys can see. So that's basically what I'm doing here. And majority of my containers are from Heart Tools, guys. This is the best. I've been using Heart Tools for so long, so I absolutely love them. And of course, if you guys are interested, I'm gonna leave it in my description box, because like I said, this it makes packing up your Christmas decor and ornaments and things like that, it makes it so much easier, and it helps it retain its freshness, its newness for the next Christmas decor. Oh my gosh, guys, once my Christmas tree is out in my living room, it's as if something, like when I look at my living room, it always looks so empty, as if something is missing. once I go down and take off, no, it's not just my living room, guys, everywhere in my home. Once my Christmas tree is out, everywhere looks so open, so empty. But anyways, you guys, as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to wipe down and also clean, because of course my Christmas tree is flocked. So look at that, like all the things you guys are seeing on the floor, it's the flock, from my Christmas tree. So of course, and also whenever I'm taking down the Christmas tree, sometimes it leaves like things flying in the air, the flock flying in the air. So I go ahead and just wipe down everywhere, and now I'm using my vacuum, my handy dandy vacuum, to go ahead and take out all the flock from the floor. As you guys can see, I have all those white things, and just with my vacuum, everything is always out. And then over here also, I'm going ahead to vacuum in my hallway. And yeah, it's all about cleaning, it's all about refreshing the home. Like when during Christmas, guys, everywhere is it's always like, I don't even know how to say it, like I don't know the right word, but immediately after Christmas or immediately after the new year, getting your home back in order, getting your home back like organized, it just like, it gladdens my heart. I really do love it. So immediately I was done with vacuuming and wiping down, I went ahead and just decorated my living room. I've been in the neutral spirit like probably since towards the end of last year. So I just went back with my neutrals, and then over here in the kitchen I decided to also vacuum and clean, because during the holiday season, ain't nobody thinking of cleaning. We are in the merriment mode. So so now I'm just going ahead to clean and get everything back to normal. All the cleaning spirit, the motivation, everything is back. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm gonna vacuum, and of course, like I always tell you guys, if there's anything you see in my video you're interested in, I'm definitely linking everything in my description box in case you guys want to check out anything you see in my videos. And also, please, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit that like button below, guys. Please hit that like button. It takes you literally less than a second. It takes you less than a second to hit that like button. So kindly hit the like button. And oh, some people were asking me on Instagram where I store my Christmas decor, for the months before, putting it up again for Christmas. And I usually just put it in storage, or, I have, of course, a storage in my home. And if you have a garage, oh my gosh, that's the best. You just put them up in the garage. And another thing that I absolutely love the Heart Totes is the fact that it actually also comes with a rail. So if you have a garage, you can just simply fix the rail, like maybe in the ceiling of your garage, and then you're able to kind of hang the totes up, so that way it's not occupying any like floor space in your home. I just love the fact that it comes with a rail, But anyways, you guys, once I finished with the kitchen, I went on to the bedroom, because of course all the beddings, everything needed to be out. And yeah, I took down all the beddings, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in a new bedding, and also wipe down, clean, and vacuum, because like you guys saw, I love to have a Christmas tree in our bedroom. So of course, when I took down the Christmas tree, all the flock all the white particles, all the flock, everything just went all over the bedroom. So of course, I'm going ahead to I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum them off, but for now I'm putting in my beddings, and I'm gonna make up my bed. And also, like, the flock got on my clothes, and let me tell you guys, please, if you have a flock tree and you're trying and you're taking it down, please don't wear a good cloth. As you guys can see, I'm just wearing like something really, really casual, because sometimes when those flocks get on your clothes and you put it in the washing machine, it ruins the clothes, because I don't know what it is. Once the flock melts on your clothes is a problem. So you want to go ahead and take down the flock before even putting it in in your washing machine, but then taking out the flock alone, it's always a lot of headache. Like, I mean, you have to pick it one by one. But anyways, guys, over here I'm going ahead to sweep my staircase, because of course I took down the Christmas decor and things like that down to my storage. My storage is actually in my basement, so of course it littered and it left a lot of flock all over the place. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead, the last thing to do would be to wipe down all the mirrors in the house. And I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. It's a new year, it's a fresh start, it's a brand new beginning, guys. I'm just so thankful. I thank God for his faithfulness, for his love, for bringing us into yet another beautiful new year. And of course, I'm wishing you guys nothing but the best. I hope that this new year brings you all your heart desires, it draws you closer to God. And with that, guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.